Many different forms of art. Today, we are going to be focusing on sculptures. Let's visit France. The Louvre Museum in France is home to some of the world's finest sculptures. The first sculpture we will be looking at is Venus de Milo. Notice her arms are missing. What do you think she looks like before she had her arms broken? Here is a picture of what they assumed the sculpture looked like. Some said she could have been holding a spear or a mirror, but in this picture, they show her spinning. Who is Venus? In fact, we do not believe this is the goddess Venus, but Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love and beauty. Another one of the Louvre's favorite is Winged Victory. The goddess of victory looks like she's standing on the bow of a ship. This sculpture, although it's not in the museum, is located in Paris. The thinker is a bronze sculpture by Auguste Rodin. On to some unusual sculptures. I just love this creative piece by Bruno Cataloni. He did a number of travelers' sculptures. Each statue carries a single suitcase. This is one of Canada's most popular sculpture. It's the giant spider. It stands over 30 feet tall outside the main entrance of the National Gallery in Ottawa. This snow train goes to prove that sculptures do not have to be made out of metal or stone. They can be made out of any material. Here are some very whimsical sculptures made by artist Jeff Koons. The balloon dog is made out of polished stainless steel. Now it's time to create your own sculpture. I decided my sculpture was going to be made of triangles. The first thing I did was glue all the toothpicks together and made triangles. Here I'm using a plate so I can maintain a circular shape. Now it's time to glue all my triangles together. I think it would be great to have the sculpture painted. So if you decide you want to paint your sculpture, now would be a good time to do so. Thank you so much for visiting. Please be sure to check out my pencil YouTube video.